Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make a full page screenshot on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just simply go to an app or like anything that you want to take a screenshot of. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of my Safari browser. So to take a screenshot, just tap on the volume up button and the side button together. As you can see, screenshot will pop up, so just tap on the screenshot, and here on the top you will see a full page option, so just tap on that, and now you can hover to all of these. And if you want to download it, you can either edit it with a pen right there, but if you just want to download it, just tap on the done button on the top left corner, and you could save to photos or either save PDF to files. So let's say I want to save it as a PDF. Once that's done, you can now check here. As you can see, it is now made into a PDF. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.